Why choose engineered stainless steel surfaces for restroom partitions? When planning the design and construction of restrooms, the selection of restroom partitions is critical to appearance, function, and maintenance. When selecting a restroom partition, there are many materials to choose from: painted steel, phenolic, and stainless steel, to name a few. Let's explore why engineered stainless steel surfaces are an excellent choice for restroom partitions. Stainless steel has long been a popular choice for many hygienic surfaces. It is a material that is very easy to clean. It's an inert material that is environmentally safe. It's a corrosion-resistant and attractive surface, and it is durable and long-lasting. Stainless steel is the sustainable choice for restroom partitions. It is 100% recyclable and is made from over 60% recycled content. Stainless steel is non-toxic and is an approved material by the National Sanitation Foundation. Unlike painted carbon steel, it requires no surface coatings, and unlike painted surfaces and phenolic resin, it gives off no VOC emissions. A critical component of the sustainability story is that stainless steel has a very long product life cycle. Recently, partitions constructed of phenolic resin have become quite popular. However, phenolic partitions are not without their detractors. As you can see from this image taken on the New York State Thruway, phenolic partitions are easily damaged or vandalized. Phenolic compounds are not green. They have a lasting and negative impact on the environment and health. Acute toxic effects may include the death of animals, birds, or fish, and death or low growth rate in plants. Longer-term effects may include shortened lifespan, reproductive problems, lower fertility, and changes in appearance or behavior. The EPA considers phenolic pollution a priority concern. Lastly, it has a shorter product life cycle and is not easily recycled. Another popular option for partitions tends to be painted carbon steel. Painted steel is a safer alternative to phenolic resins. However, it doesn't age as well and isn't as attractive as stainless steel. Once the paint is scratched and the carbon steel is exposed, the partition will begin to rust immediately. Because of this, it has a far shorter life cycle than stainless steel. Painting isn't as environmentally friendly due to the emissions of VOCs related to the process. And reapplying paint to slow rusting and corrosion also creates higher maintenance costs. So what is an engineered stainless steel surface? It is stainless steel that surface has been physically enhanced to add strength and durability, as well as texture to hide scratches, dents, and dings. While the tops of the textured characters are being scratched, the textured pattern hides their appearance. This attribute alone can be the deciding feature for selecting deep textured stainless steel for your partitions. The clean look of stainless with the durability of interesting patterns makes for an impressive partition. Because of their durability and that they're made from stainless steel, these partitions are both sanitary and secure. Surface engineered stainless steel is ideal for high traffic areas such as elevator cab interiors, restroom partitions, and column covers. Pre-written specifications are available to the specifier from the producer, and most elevator cab interior companies, restroom partition, and column cover manufacturers are well versed in surface engineered metals. Surface engineered stainless steel partitions are now available in 1HM hammered pattern that provides yet another unique design option. Please don't hesitate to contact us with your questions and ideas. We can assist you with the guidance on material and pattern selection, samples, specifications, and other technical information. The following slides are some images of partitions using rigidized metals engineered stainless steel surfaces.